start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I actually like to use the larger ones, but I don't have enough of those, so we're just going to use for the example with the smaller ones. Okay? First we're going to set these aside, and then we're going to take 4, okay? And we're going to place them together like so, like this, okay? All right? We're going to add some glue. Then we're going to put that together like that. We're going to hold it. Until it sets. Allow it to set. And then you can hold it with your finger. Do it like that. Okay. Then we're going to let that sit there like that. Then we're going to take this one. We're going to put this on the side. And then we're going to add it to this the same way. The same exact way. Yeah, we're going to do it that way. I'm going to let that sit. Then we're going to take and we're going to put on the ends here. This end. Let that sit for a little bit. And then we're going to stick that there. Same way. Okay. And then we're going to come over here to this side. And we're going to apply there. That way. Okay. So now we have a square. One square. Okay. So we're going to set this aside. We're going to set that aside. And we're going to set this to the side. And then we're going to get 4 more. 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to take these 2. And we're going to put glue here. And we're going to apply that way. And we're going to take and we're going to add a little bit more glue here, like that. Okay, we have that. Right? We have that way. Okay. Then we're going to take some masking tape. This will help support it better. And you can put some masking tape on here this way to help support that. Okay. All right. That way, we do it that way. Now we come back over here and we're going to take these and we're going to secure our joints with tape, okay, to secure them. And then we're going to take them together. That makes them more secure. That way. And then we're going to take this one. Makes it more secure. And our last one. Okay. That makes it much more solid. See? It's much more stronger. Okay. And then we're going to take this portion here. And we're going to put a dab of glue here. A dab of glue here. That end. And then we're going to take and we are going to put this here. And we're going to put this one there. I'm going to hold it until it sets in well enough. Till it sets in well enough. Okay. Then we're going to take I'm going to take some tape. And we're going to tape this down there. And then we're going to take another and we're going to tape this end. Okay. So now we have one side of the pyramid here. And then we just had to add this here to this. So we'll put this one here, like this. And we will put this way. Okay? So here we go. We're going to add a wad of glue here. Let that sit. A little bit more. Okay. Then we're going to let that sit there like that. And then we're just going to lean that up against there. Just allow it to lean up against there until it sets. until it sets, and then we're going to get two pieces of tape, and then we're going to do the same thing here. Do the same thing with that. Let that sit. Okay. Then we're going to take this up top and take this up top. And we're going to add some tape to that up there. Put this back there. Okay. Then we're going to add some tape to this. Okay. So then we have our three sides here. One, two, three, and our foundation. So now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. We're going to add glue here. And then we're going to take our last dowel and we're going to put there. Okay. Let that sit. In the meantime, let's get another two more things of tape and have them ready to go. And then we're going to put some tape here, some glue there. We're going to let that sit. Let it set for a bit. So when we tape it, it won't come loose. Now we're going to take our tape and we're going to secure this up top. Oops. Okay. All right. Move too fast on that one. So let's do it again. Let it sit before you start to tape it. Let it set. I didn't let it set long enough. It's kind of a mess because I'm trying to do the camera myself and okay. So we're going to let that sit. I'm going to let that sit for a minute and set in place. Okay, as you can see, set in place. Okay, and then we're going to take our last one here and we're going to secure that with the tape. All right, and there we have it. We have our pyramid. We have our pyramid, as you can see. It's a little crude because that's for me trying to hold the camera and make it at the same time. But that's it. That's your pyramid, as you can see. That is the pyramid.